Hello everyone, this is Lottie Silvis and welcome to my free library audio ebooks. Thanks for listening.
How to Control Your Thoughts and Emotions. Introduction. Welcome to Master Your Mind. In this transformative audiobook, we will embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Our minds are incredible instruments that have the power to shape our reality and determine our happiness and success. However, all too often, our thoughts and emotions can become unruly, leading to stress, anxiety, and negative outcomes. But fear not, for within these chapters lies a treasure trove of practical strategies, time-tested techniques, and profound insights that will help you gain mastery over your mind. By embracing these transformative principles, you'll learn to control your thoughts and emotions, cultivate a positive mindset, and navigate life's challenges with wisdom and emotional intelligence. Chapter 1. Understanding your mind. The first step towards mastering your mind is to understand its complexities. In this chapter, we delve deep into the nature of thoughts and emotions, exploring the intricate connection between the two. By gaining insight into how your thoughts influence your emotions and actions, you'll be better equipped to recognize patterns and initiate positive change. Chapter 2. The Power of Mindfulness Meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a life-changing practice that brings a sense of profound presence and clarity to your everyday experiences. In this chapter, we guide you through various mindfulness exercises designed to anchor your awareness in the present moment. As you embrace mindfulness, you'll observe a remarkable transformation in your ability to manage stress, reduce anxiety, and embrace inner peace. Chapter 3. Identifying negative thought patterns. Negative thought patterns can be like weeds that strangle the growth of positivity in your life. In this chapter, we shed light on common cognitive distortions and negative self-talk that may be holding you back. Through enlightening exercises, you'll learn to identify these patterns and effectively challenge them, opening the door to a more optimistic and constructive mindset. Chapter 4. Cognitive Restructuring Techniques. Building on the previous chapter, we delve further into cognitive restructuring, an essential skill in mastering your thoughts and emotions. With practical techniques, you'll learn to rewire your thinking patterns positively. As you develop this powerful cognitive approach, you'll equip yourself with resilience and strength to confront life's challenges with confidence and composure. Chapter 5. Embracing Emotional Awareness. Emotions are a fundamental aspect of the human experience, and embracing them with compassion and understanding is vital for emotional mastery. In this chapter, we explore the significance of emotional awareness and its profound impact on your well-being. By learning to recognize, accept, and process your emotions, you'll cultivate emotional intelligence and respond more mindfully to life's ebb and flow. Chapter 6. Creating a Positive Environment. Your external environment significantly influences your internal landscape. In this chapter, we discuss the importance of cultivating a positive and nurturing environment. You'll receive practical guidance on surrounding yourself with uplifting influences, supportive relationships, and inspiring content, creating a fertile ground for personal growth and well-being. Chapter 7. The Gratitude Mindset. Gratitude is a transformative emotion that can shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. In this chapter, we dive into the science of gratitude and its profound impact on mental health and happiness. You'll learn how to cultivate a daily gratitude practice, attracting more positivity into your life and sowing the seeds for a prosperous and fulfilling future. Chapter 8. The Mind-Body Connection. The mind and body are inextricably linked, and nurturing both is crucial for emotional well-being. In this chapter, we explore the powerful mind-body connection and how taking care of your physical health enhances mental clarity and emotional balance. You'll receive self-care techniques and stress management strategies to harmonize your mind and body, nurturing a balanced and joyful life. Chapter 9. Empowering Your Mind for Success. As we approach the concluding chapter, we shift our focus to empowering your mind for success. By integrating the wisdom from previous chapters, you'll be equipped to face life's challenges with resilience, positivity, and emotional intelligence. Unlock the immense power within you to manifest your dreams and unleash your full potential. Conclusion. Congratulations, my dear listener, on completing this empowering journey of Master Your Mind. How to control your thoughts and emotions. Remember that mastering your mind is an ongoing process, and each day brings an opportunity to apply these transformative principles. Embrace your newfound knowledge with an open heart and mind, and allow it to guide you towards a life of purpose, happiness, and fulfillment. As you take these learnings into the world, may you be a beacon of positivity and wisdom, empowering yourself and others to create a brighter, more harmonious future. Remember, you possess the power to shape your destiny. So, take charge of your thoughts and emotions, and embark on a life of endless possibilities. The journey of self-mastery has just begun.